Some Tuesday night college football. Florida Atlantic getting Middle Tennessee State, donning the black jerseys. Fourth quarter, 9 ticks on the clock. Middle Tennessee down 6. Joe Craddock, he's for the end zone, and Malcolm Biak comes down with it. Take another look as Biak out jumps the defense and hauls in the touchdown as the clock expires.
At quarterback, one protector back. Knott's going to let it fly. Here it goes. It is in the air, and it is caught.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my goodness. What
it is the very thing that you thought wouldn't happen, and what an unbelievable end to the football game. What an unbelievable end.
The senior Kirk Casper, who was quiet the entire day, catches the deflection from Ryan Short.
Unbelievable.
Kirk Casper, the second leading receiver all time for the Little Giants, had been shut down all day long, and he catches the deflected pass for the game winner.
Oh my goodness.
Unbelievable.
Kustok to the end zone for the win. Caught! Touchdown! Northwestern wins it! Northwestern wins it!
Stepping up, throwing to Crow, catches the lateral. Here comes Willis racing to the end zone. Touchdown! Unbelievable! Central Michigan does it!
This is a fourth down play, so Davis has to make it good. Ball's up in the air, it's going to the end zone, it's batted down, it's a pulled in! The big fella. Justin Jones, you called it. The 6'8", 252-pounder.
Jones lines up in the slot to the right of Solomon. He is back to throw. He is rolling. Looking downfield. Has time to set up. Throws it long. Has a man. It's up and down.
Out to the right. Flutie flushed. Throws it down. Caught by Boston College. I don't believe it. It's a touchdown. The Eagles win it.
Switching the lineup a little bit. 3-man rush by the Zips. Roethlisberger backs up, now steps up in the pocket, has time, unloads the football, it's going down, and batted up in the air. Picked up! Oh my goodness! Oh my! Miami wins! It's the different one to perfection, and Miami has won the football game!
3-man rush. Mangum, all kinds of time. Steps into the throw, in the wind, down to the goal line, and caught! Touchdown, BYU!
Pressure from behind. Mangum flips it into the end zone. We've seen this before. Touchdown, BYU!
Three-man rush. Randall stops, throws it as far as he can. Caught! Touchdown! I do not believe it! The Tigers pulled off another miracle. It was Devery Henderson who caught it on the last play of the game. Holy cow!
Third down, quick drop. Leonard rolling left, trying to buy some time. Leonard will throw it deep downfield. He's got several men down there, and it is no signal. Touchdown, Arkansas State! Touchdown! They have won it! No flags on the play! How in the world did he throw that ball down there and get that? I don't know. Touchdown!
Back in his own 46, throwing for the end zone. Receivers are there, defenders are there. It is in the end zone. Who has the ball? Touchdown! 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 Brigham Young!
Open lateral. Gotta get rid of it. Throw it up there.
Kellogg's throw. It's going to be tipped and caught! It's caught! It's caught in the touchdown, Western Tabs!
Shotgun has the ball. Moving back, moves up, now he's going to throw for the end zone. The ball is up, it's at the goal line. It's caught by UC Davis! Touchdown, Aggies! The Aggies win it on the game's last play. Makari Grant catching it and throwing the football into the stands. The most unbelievable finish to a game in Aggie history.
He's going to throw it as far as he can down the field. It is tipped and caught by Tillman. Tillman at the 20, the 15, the 10. Touchdown USA.
Three-man rush. Cousins on the last play of regulation. Chucks it to the end zone. Caught! Michigan State's caught it on a rebound. Hold on. It is just short of the end zone.
After further review, the runner did cross the line and go on a
Touchdown. Michigan State.
9 seconds to play, and Drew Tate doesn't know that. The game's going to end on this play. He fires downfield. It's caught and into the end zone. Touchdown, Iowa! Touchdown, Iowa! No time on the clock. I don't believe what I just saw. Touchdown, Iowa!
Urkavici sets, loads up, heaving one deep, and it is caught! Dylan Strong! Do you believe it? Arizona State wins on a Hail Mary!
3 wide outs at the top of the picture. Stewart with time. Lets it go. He's got 3 people down there. The ball's up in the air. Caught! Touchdown! Caught by Westbrook for a touchdown!
15.8 seconds left from the shotgun. Pumped it once, now steps up into the pocket, going to the distance. In the end zone, the ball is caught by Dunlap. Caught with 8.5 seconds showing on the clock.